settings you'll need. Envelopes indicator settings, period, 10, deviation, 0.05, moving average, SMA. Stochastic oscillator indicator settings, %K period, 5, %D period, 3, smoothing, 3, moving average, SMA. That's it. No complicated charts, no confusing tools. Just a clean, effective strategy you can start using right away. This method can boost your confidence and help you make better trading decisions, even if you're just getting started. But before we dive in, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a like. Tap the bell icon so you never miss our powerful strategies every week. Quick disclaimer. Binary options trading involves financial risk. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Always trade responsibly and never risk money you can't afford to lose. Now, let's go over the strategy rules step by step, so you know exactly how to trade with confidence. Buy trade, wait for the price to touch or go below the lower line of the envelope's indicator. Check if the stochastic lines are crossing each other, then wait for a bullish candle to appear. This is your confirmation. Once all these conditions are met, take a buy trade with 4 minutes expiry. Sell trade. Wait for the price to touch or go above the upper line of the envelope's indicator. Check if the stochastic lines are crossing each other. Then, wait for a bearish, red candle to confirm the trade. Once confirmed, take a sell trade with 4 minutes expiry. Use 30-second candles and set your trade expiry to 4 minutes. That's it. Simple, clean, and powerful. No guessing. Just follow the setup and wait for the right signal. Now, before we jump into the live trade example, here are a few quick risk management tips to help you trade smart. Risk management tips. Always stay calm. Avoid emotional decisions. Risk only 1% to 5% of your balance per trade. Never risk more than 10% of your total capital. Practice first on a demo account. Backtest the strategy to build confidence. You'll also find the full indicator settings, bonus trading tips, and helpful links in the video description below. Don't forget to check it out. Now let's move to the most exciting part. Live trade example. Let's see how this strategy performs in the real market. Let's go. Here, I've taken a sell trade. Let me walk you through exactly why. First, as you can see on the chart, the price touched the upper line of the envelope's indicator, and even went slightly above it. That's our first signal that the market might reverse. Then I checked the stochastic oscillator. Look closely. The %K and %D lines crossed each other at the top, which usually indicates a possible downward move. Now, this is important. I waited for a bearish candle to form after the crossover. That gave me the confirmation I needed. Once all these conditions were met, I confidently placed a sell trade with a 4-minute expiry. Let's watch this trade play out and see how it performs step by step on the chart. You'll notice how the market slowly starts to reverse in our favor. This is the beauty of combining a reversal zone, envelopes, with a momentum indicator, stochastic. It gives us higher accuracy and better confidence when entering a trade. We still have some time left in this trade, so stay with me. Let's see the final result together. And yes, we've won this trade. As you can see on the screen, this trade closed in profit. Now imagine doing this with proper risk management, discipline, and a solid mindset. You can slowly build consistent profits even in the OTC market. And don't forget, the market won't give you 100% results every time. That's why practicing on a demo and following money management rules is key to long-term success. Here, I've taken a buy trade. Let me show you exactly why I entered this position. First, take a look at the chart. The price touched and slightly moved below the lower band of the envelope's indicator. That's our first signal that the market might reverse upward. Next, we look at the stochastic oscillator. Notice how the blue and orange lines have crossed each other at the bottom of the range, near the 20 level. This signals potential upward momentum, but we don't rush. We wait for confirmation. And right here, we got a bullish candle forming just after the stochastic crossover. That's our go-ahead signal for a buy trade. With all three confirmations, I confidently entered a buy trade with a 4-minute expiry. Let's watch this trade together and see how it plays out in real time. This setup is a great example of high probability entries. You're not just guessing, you're following clear signals with logic and patience. And remember, not every setup will be perfect. But when you stick to the rules and wait for confirmation, you greatly improve your chances of success. Boom, another winning trade. This buy trade just closed in profit, all by following our simple and powerful setup. Now here, I've taken another buy trade. Let me show you exactly what I saw. First, notice how the price dropped down and touched the lower line of the envelopes channel. That's our first sign that the market may bounce back up. Then, I looked at the stochastic oscillator below the chart. You can clearly see that the blue and orange lines crossed each other right near the 20 level. This means the asset is oversold and might soon go up. And most importantly, right after the crossover, a bullish candle, pink, appeared. That gave me the final confirmation I needed. So based on this confirmation, I entered a buy trade with a 4-minute expiry. Let's wait and see how this trade performs. We lost this trade, and that's completely normal. Even with all the right signals, no strategy wins 100% of the time. The setup was perfect, but the market still went the other way. That's trading. Losses happen. What matters is discipline and risk management. We kept our risk low, so one trade doesn't impact the big picture. Stay consistent, follow the rules, and focus on long-term results. Let's move on and look for the next opportunity. Now here, I've taken a sell trade. Let's quickly go over why. First, the price touched the upper line of the envelopes indicator, signaling a possible reversal zone. Then, the stochastic oscillator showed a crossover at the top, near the overbought zone. That's our confirmation of potential downward momentum. And right after that, a bearish candle appeared. The final green light to enter the trade. With all conditions met, I entered a sell trade with 4-minute expiry. Let's wait and see how this trade plays out. And yes, we've won this trade too. This was a clean setup and the strategy worked just as expected. Throughout this video, you've seen how simple rules, discipline, and confirmation-based entries can give you high-probability trades, even in the OTC market. Just remember, stick to the rules, manage your risk, stay patient and consistent. Mastering one solid strategy is better than jumping between many. Practice this one, backtest it, and grow your confidence with time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment below if you want more live trading examples or have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay focused, stay disciplined, and keep trading smart.